In one senior class, one-third of the students are honor students. Of these honor students, two-sevenths are varsity athletes. If there are four athletes in the class, how many students are there in the class? So this is now the solution. Let T be total number of students, and one-third of the total number of students are honor students. And 2 over 7 of the honor students are varsity players or varsity athletes. And there are 4 athletes in that class. So the equation is 2 over 7 times one-third n equals 4. Then you multiply. We have 2 times 1 is 2, 7 times 3 is 21. So we are given 2 over 21n equals 4. Then you multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2 over 21. So we have 21 over 2 times 2 over 21n and 4 times 21 over 2. Now, we can actually cancel this. Cancel mo na lang ito at ang matitira is n. But here, we can have also 4 times 21. So, you are given 84. Then, divide by 2. So, that will give us, or we are given 42 as the total number of students. The answer to this problem is letter A.